Hello, we are Perlas and we created Coas Go, an app that aims to protect Chile coast through environmental education. Our app conveys information about species, flora and fauna, alert interactive math quizzes, and virtual adoption system.
First, we select a beach and access latest information on the map. We can identify sensitive areas and learn about the species that live there. Before exploring, the app shows recommendations and alerts to encourage responsible behavior. We can also learn about endangered species and the threats they face. Then we can faithful educational quizzes. When we answer correctly, we earn points. The points can be used to virtual adopt an animal by default and take care of it. This makes learning about the environment more interactive.
We will go using App Inventor and database to organize information about beaches and species. One of the main features is the quiz system. We use it if else block to check the answer. If this is correct, a global variable increases and accumulate the point earned. We also program the pet store. When we press buy food, the app takes the available points, subtracts the cost, and updates the pet's information. Here we can see the block that make is feature full functional.
Our target users are national and international tourists and people who live in coastal areas. To test CostGo, we conducted beta testing with users, observing how they interacted with the prototype and collecting their opinions through surveys. Thanks to their feedback, we discovered that environmental recommendations needed to be more visible and direct. So we modified the navigation flow to include pop-up alerts before accessing beach information. We also received feedback about the special descriptions. Some of them were too technical, so we simplified them and used clearer, more accessible and educational language. These changes helped us improve the user experience and make up the application easier to understand for different users.
We use artificial intelligence as a support tool during the development process, which asks it for help simplifying blocks, identifying irrelevant functions, and improve the user experience. We also use prompts to adapt the species descriptions into clearer language. AI support us throughout the process, but the final decisions and implementation were made by our team. With Costco, we transformed information into action because protecting our coast begins with getting to know it. Goodbye.